This video will explore the world of maintenance, a crucial aspect of keeping any system or equipment in good working order. We'll delve into different types of maintenance, understand how professionals diagnose problems, and learn about the critical role of a maintenance technician. What is maintenance? Imagine a bicycle. If you want it to run smoothly, you need to take care of it. You oil the chain, inflate the tires, and tighten any loose screws. This care is what we call maintenance. All the activities we do to keep something in good condition and working properly. Maintenance is important for lots of reasons. First, it prevents problems. Regular maintenance helps to identify and fix small issues before they become big, expensive problems. Then, it increases lifespan. Just like taking care of your health, maintenance extends the life of equipment and systems. Maintenance also improves safety. Well-maintained equipment is safer to use and reduces the risk of accidents. And lastly, maintenance saves you money. While maintenance requires some investment, it ultimately saves money by preventing costly repairs and downtime. There are two main approaches to maintenance: corrective and preventive maintenance. Corrective maintenance is what we do after something breaks down. Imagine your bike chain breaks. Corrective maintenance is like fixing the broken chain so you can ride again. While necessary, this type of maintenance can be disruptive and expensive. Preventive maintenance, on the other hand, is all about preventing problems before they occur. Think of it as regularly oiling your bike chain to prevent it from breaking in the first place. Preventive maintenance is proactive and focuses on keeping things running smoothly. Preventive maintenance itself can be further divided into three categories: time-based, condition-based, and predictive maintenance. Time-based maintenance involves performing maintenance activities at fixed time intervals, like changing your car's oil every few months, or checking the pressure in your bike tires every week. It's useful for tasks that are time-sensitive or prone to wear and tear. Instead of relying on a time schedule, you can focus on monitoring the actual condition of the equipment. This is what condition-based maintenance does. Imagine a sensor on your bike chain that alerts you when it needs oiling. This allows for maintenance only when necessary, optimizing resources and preventing unnecessary downtime. Predictive maintenance, on the other hand, is the most advanced form of preventive maintenance. It uses data, sensors, and analytics to predict when a failure might occur. Think of it as your bike predicting a flat tire based on your riding style and road conditions. This proactive approach allows for timely interventions and minimizes disruptions. Before we can fix anything, we need to know what's wrong. This is where diagnostics come in. Diagnostics involve identifying the cause of a problem or fault in a system. Think of a doctor diagnosing an illness. They ask questions, examine the patient, and maybe run some tests. Similarly, technicians use various methods to diagnose faults in equipment. There are two main types of diagnostics: visual and instrumental. Visual diagnostics involves using your senses, sight, hearing, touch, and even smell, to identify any abnormalities. For example, a technician might notice a loose wire, hear an unusual noise from a machine, or smell something burning. Instrumental diagnostics, on the contrary, uses specialized tools and instruments to gather data and pinpoint the problem. Examples include using a multimeter to measure voltage, a thermal camera to detect heat variations, or vibration analysis equipment to identify imbalances in rotating machinery. The skilled professional responsible for carrying out maintenance activities is the maintenance technician. They are the doctors of the maintenance world, using their knowledge and expertise to keep things running smoothly. What are the main activities a maintenance technician performs? Basically, they do 5 different things. They inspect equipment, regularly checking for wear and tear, damage, or any signs of potential problems. They perform routine maintenance, carrying out tasks like cleaning, lubricating, adjusting, and replacing parts to prevent breakdowns. They troubleshoot faults, investigating and diagnosing the root cause of equipment malfunctions. They repair or replace components, fixing or replacing faulty parts to restore functionality. And last but not least, they document maintenance activities, keeping detailed records of all inspections, repairs, and replacements. Before going on, we need to understand the difference between faults and failures. A fault is any deviation from the normal operation of a system or component. It's essentially something that's wrong, but hasn't necessarily caused a complete breakdown yet. Think of it as a warning sign. For example, a loose screw on your bike is a fault. A failure occurs when a system or component can no longer perform its intended function. It's the final result of a fault not being taken care of. Using our bike example, the loose screw, the fault, eventually leads to the handlebar becoming detached. This is your failure, and now you can't ride your bike anymore. Basically, a fault is a potential problem, while a failure is the actual breakdown. Early detection and addressing faults through maintenance are crucial to prevent failures and ensure smooth operation. To sum things up, by understanding the different types of maintenance, the importance of diagnostics, and the role of a maintenance technician, you can contribute to keeping any system or piece of equipment running smoothly and efficiently.